Hey y'all, Ashley Bright here. Just wanted to come on today and share some recent crafty finds that have been trickling in. I'll start with the AliExpress stuff. I've been trying to grow like my charms and tassels stashed up, so got some of these super cute little pink tassels. Also got, and these are a little bit more like of a random shape, but I just really like them for some reason. I thought they were so cute. They're so like mini and little, these little like royal chairs. I love these little charms. Then I also got these. I love these these little circles that are filled with stars. This one has this like bright pink color in it, and it's very pretty. Then I got another one of those with like some gems inside. Much more like subtle pink color, very pretty. I got some heart locket charms. Everything's all pink. But yeah, I got some heart lockets. I got some flowers, which I think are very adorable. I got some stars. These came in way smaller than I was expecting. I'm sure it was listed in the description and I just was not paying attention. But yeah, these are the little stars. They're teeny, teeny, tiny. Yeah, I think they're super cute and will be like such a cute little delicate detail on a project. So yeah, I got those. And then I got some multicolored florals inside that little circle shape again. And then I got these, another teeny, teeny, tiny tassel, teeny, teeny, tiny charm here. These are also tassels, but yeah, just for comparison. I really like these though. I like that they're super mini like that. Then I also got these epoxy sticker circles. I got these with these little bottle caps, the pink bottle caps. So I'm thinking I'll be making some embellishments with these too. And yeah, so that's pretty much the AliExpress stuff. Let me go into some more stuff here. Okay, also want to show you some papers I got recently. These are from Hip Kit Club's Mean Kit. Got lots of Maggie Holmes. So here's one sheet and here is the back. Very pretty. Here's the cut apart sheet. Both sides are cut aparts. So here's the front. This is so cute. And then here is the back. Then there's this one. This is from Cartabella, and the paper quality on this is like really so good. I don't know if you can see that texture, but it's like very thick paper. And then here's the back. Another one from Cartabella. Lots of florals. Here's the back. Let me try to keep all these kind of in frame. And then this one is so beautiful. This is Jen Hadfield. Her Hey Hello collection is just so cute. I've been making a bunch of stuff with it. There's lots of little critters in it. It's like so adorable. More Maggie Holmes, yay. This is Sweet Story. All these Maggie Holmes papers. And then I love this paper. This one's like my favorite one. So cute. So like crepe paper feel. And then here's the back. Simple grid pattern, blue and pink. Here's a strawberry paper, Maggie Holmes, and then like a pink polka dot on the back. Here's another Maggie Holmes, like rainbow paper, swirls, and then stars on the back. And then, well, last but not least, this is from Jen Hadfield for the paper, and then on the back. So yeah, this is from Hip Kit Club's Main Kit. You also get in their main kit, you get some embellishments, so and ephemera and stuff, so I'll show you those. This is Cartabella. This is their chipboard phrases. So super cute. and some enamel dots, which I love enamel dots. I go through these like crazy, so excited for those. And then look at these super cute butterflies. They're so adorable, and they're dimensional. So like they have like a top layer here that like folds up, which is like so cute and clever. So look at how pretty that is. It's adorable. So yeah, those are really, really cool. And then there are these beautiful pink stickers. And there is the ephemera pack. I'm so excited. I love this Sweet Story collection. So let me just show these really quickly. I want to show everyone, but I'll just kind of flip through them here. So very, very cute. This little dog is adorable. Unsurpassed. Oh, that's like a unique phrase. Little gumball machine and bows. This is like a little acetate paper clip piece. Dream big, wishes come true. Yeah, so lots in here to play with. And then I'll show this other one too. Look at this pretty acetate floral piece. That is so adorable. Get lost in what you love. So cute. Hey, sugar. Adorable. So lots of acetate pieces, which is fun. Frames, tags. So pretty. I love this. So pretty. More swans, of course, they're swans. Okay, so that's everything in the ephemera pack. I do also get, let me move this aside. So I do also get the paper kit and the cardstock kit. The paper kit is all the same papers I just showed you. It's just an extra copy. And then the cardstock kit is just a variety of colors that match with the kits. I will say that the cardstock kit this month is super cool because it's got some of these like shiny, and I don't know if that's going to show on camera, if you can see the shine or not. You can kind of see it, like this blue and this yellow have like this sheen to it, and I think that that's really, really pretty. But let me show you more of the ephemera. So there is also a Pocket Life kit, and in the Pocket Life kit this month, we get this super pretty tassel package from Bloom Street, Paige Evans. Also from Paige Evans, we get these little enamel dots. More from Cartabella, puffy stickers. With like this theme, this like summertime theme. Look at the little strawberry packages here down at the bottom. It's so cute. Or like berries. Very cute. And this is adorable. And then more holographic stickers, which is very fun. And super beautiful Sweet Story. I'm so excited to get so much Maggie Holmes in these kits this time. Maggie Holmes is, I love all the collections, but Maggie Holmes is just so special. I just especially love her stuff. So I'm so excited to be able to play with all this new collection. So that's the sticker sheet. And then, like I said, this is the Pocket Life kit. So I don't do Project Life, but I can still use all of these like pocket cards all the time on different like DIY projects. So here are some of like the larger cards. Then there's like some more like mid-sized cards. Just flip through these really quickly. Very cute. Oh, this is so cute. This little tag. So cute. These are super easy to use on tag flips. And then these little ones, I actually can use these on like little mini albums. So, show you these. I love all these like floral things on these. So pretty. That's my favorite time to scrap is during the spring. And that's adorable. Little green, some strawberries. Happy memories from today. Little wreath. Black and white pink, which is such a beautiful color combination. Okay, and so here are the last couple. Very cute. And then let me also show you the embellishment kit. We get so much in these kits, so let me pull out the embellishment kit now and show you what we got there. So this one, more Maggie Holmes, super cute little bows. I love the bows from Sweet Story. There's these ones and then the like muted color bows as well that we got in the previous kit. They're both just so adorable. And then these are from Cartabella. These are adhesive brads, and these brads are a little different in that they're not like they're just adhesive on the back. So you don't have to like stick it through anything. It's just got the little sticky thing you just stick, and it's like a sticker. So yeah, these are so cute. Love these. And then there's this sticker sheet. This is so beautiful. So cute. Love all these like pink stickers. So cute. This is also really like fun thing to work with. So yeah, very pretty. And then super exciting, we got the chipboard. So we have Sweet Story chipboard. I'm so excited to play with this. I will say this might be a little bit hard for me to use just because whenever I only have one thing from a Maggie Holmes collection, I tend to just stare at it more than use it, but I will definitely try my best to use this up and get some good use out of it and make some super cute projects. So yeah, look at everything I just recently got. I'm so excited to play with it all and make some happy mail with everything. And yeah, I hope you guys liked seeing some of my recent crafty finds, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye.